Welcome back to the part 2 video of birds trivia. Number 1. What is the more common name for the apteryx? The options: penguin, emu, kiwi. And the answer: kiwi. Number 2. Which of these birds' beaks has a pouch adapted to catch fish? Pelican, kingfisher, heron. The answer: pelican. Number 3. Which bird species is known for its unique nest building using saliva? Woodpecker, swiftlets, eagle. And the answer: swiftlets. Number 4. Which bird is known to incubate its eggs using volcanic heat? Osprey, maleo, ostrich. And the answer: maleo. Number 5. What is the only bird species known to produce milk to feed its young? The options: penguin, hummingbird, pigeon. And the answer: pigeon. Number 6. Which bird holds the record for the fastest in a dive? Peregrine falcon, bald eagle, emperor penguin. The answer: peregrine falcon. Number 7. What is the heaviest flying bird? The options: condor, New Caledonian crow, Cory bustard. And the answer: Cory bustard. Number 8. Which critically endangered bird species is native to New Zealand? The options: kiwi, kakapo, blackstilt. And the answer: kakapo. Number 9. Which is the rarest bird in the world? Madagascar pocket, puffin, Andean condor. And the answer: Madagascar pocket. Number 10. Which bird possesses blue eggs? Kingfisher, American robin, blue jay. And the answer: American robin. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.